Hey everyone.
That's a great
start.
I like it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's episode of Friday.
Should I start?
Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Today is Friday, July the 17th. So without further ado, let's get started. It's a long one to start with.
What?
I just read the bottom already. I like that pun, and I hate that I like that. The first collection we've got for you is a little bit cute, a little bit spooky. It is Purrs Boos from Moda. With this collection, we've got zipper charms, Purrville quilt patterns, jelly rolls, the Purrville quilt kit, which is being restocked. It'll be ready in about 2 weeks. We've got Jelly Ghosts quilt kit and the full collection yardage. With this collection, you can look forward to patterns of cats, webs, pumpkins, bones, ghosts. They've got bats, poison, stars, diamonds, and texts in Halloween colors like orange, black, cream, and pink. So if you like the cute and spooky vibes, stir up some paranormal captivity with Purrs Boos.
Next up, I want to highlight a exclusive FWFS bundle called Barton Springs. This is based off of a swimming pool that is in Austin. It is entirely filled up with natural springs. With a question on here, have you ever been there? I personally have not.
No, neither have I. I've been to Austin.
I have.
You've been there?
Yeah, just my last trip.
Wow.
Where I went to Austin.
How was it?
It was fun. I didn't get in, but I was hanging out. Great place to go. Apparently the water is like warm year round. So I've never done it, but apparently in the fall you can go swimming.
So this is a calm little slice of Austin bundled up in 7 fat quarters. This bundle brings together watery blue, soft aquas, weathered stone, and natural textures. So if you're interested in checking out this bundle, you can make a splash with our Barton Springs Fort Worth Fabric Studio exclusive fat quarter bundle.
The next collection we've got for you is a very vivid collection. It's Underwater Paradise from Timeless Treasures. With this, we've got the Playing with Panels Market Tote pattern and the Playing with Panels Market Tote Bag kit, as well as yardage. With this, we've got patterns of turtles, octopus, seahorses, stamps, and just a real aquatic underwater scene in bright and vivid colors of blue, red, pink, green, and yellow. So if you love the ocean, make waves with Underwater Paradise.
Next up, we have a cute collection we want to show you called Bathing Bonnies from Studio E. With this, we have the assorted yardage, which just arrived and is almost gone. It is going quick, so make sure you get your hands on this as soon as you can. This collection features patterns such as cows taking baths, toiletries, soap, bubbles, combs, mirrors, milk bottles, and some florals, all in a color scheme of mint, pink, yellow, cream, and brown. It is a very bright colored collection. If you're interested in taking a bath, you can soak up the movement with Bathing Bonnies.
So our next collection is a little play on words. It's Here Comes Santa Claus from Timeless Treasures. With this collection, we've got fat quarter bundles as well as yardage. And with this collection, you've got cats, plaid, candy cane stripes, paws, and dots in colors of red, pink, green, white, and black. It's not quite the holiday season, but it is coming just in time to get projects ready for the holiday season. So deck the paws with Here Comes Santa Claus.
Next up, have a autumn kind of Halloweenish kind of collection called Autumn Elegance from In the Beginning. In this collection, we're featuring the Autumn Elegance Pumpkin Quilt Kit, the Autumn Star Quilt Kit, and the full collection of yardage that comes along with this collection. With this collection, you can expect patterns such as leaves, florals, geometrics, plaids, mosaics, and ferns in colors of brown, orange, gold, and cream. So if you're interested in checking out this collection, you can make a quilt you fall for with Autumn Elegance.
So as always, we like to mention our 1 yard cuts. These 1 yard cuts are pre-cut, full of personality, and ready to grab. Multiples won't be continuous, so with these 1 yard cuts, if you order 2 of them, you will be getting 2 separated 1 yard pieces. We are adding new prints all the time. They are currently $10.96, so buzz on over to our website to check out our 1 yard cuts.
All right, next up we have a section called Comment of the Week. This is where we take comments from last week's episode and read them on this week's episode. I want to say y'all killed it this time on the comments. We appreciate all these comments that y'all made. So without further ado, let's read some comments.
All right, so the first comment we want to mention is from a name that I hope I do not mispronounce. It is Tammy en France, who says, I think the subscription box unboxing would be a great addition to your videos. Well, you know, enough people have said that they would like a sub box reveal that I think that is exactly what we're going to do. We're going to record one. So thank you for your comment and for your input, and we hope you stick around to see the unboxing videos.
Next up, we have a comment from Barbara H2281 who says, great fabric lines highlighted. The ginger cat fabric is my best. Glad you're back. I would love to see the subscription box reveal after it's been sent out. I've wondered about it, but I've not subscribed to it because I never get to see what comes in one. What a great idea. Have a great week. Well, firstly, I want to thank you so much for this comment, Barbara. Thank you for always coming and checking out our videos. But that is some great input that we haven't considered, but is a great reason for doing reveal videos. So we can definitely easily do, as Clint said a second ago, opening a subscription box to kind of show y'all what's all in it. So keep your eyes out for that.
Our next comment comes from Judy Keene, who says, good job showcasing the fabric bolts. Putting them on the cart and panning slowly helps me see them better. It would be nice to see the fabric in the Fat Quarter bundles better, your exclusive bundles especially. Appreciate all you guys do. Well, thank you, Judy. And please let us know how we do this week on showing off those Fat Quarter bundles. I think we're going to try something a little bit different so that you can get a better look at those fabrics.
Next up, we got a comment from Roxanne Baxter, 1568, who says, I ordered a Halloween Fat Quarter bundle and a few days later decided I need more fabric. I contacted you to see if I could add to my order, and you came through with great customer service. Thank you. My niece informed me after the 4th that now it is officially Halloween. I learned something new every day. Happy Halloween. Well, firstly, thank you so much for this comment, Roxanne. I think that was probably me you dealt with, and it is not a problem. If y'all ever have any issues, please do reach out to me. I can easily help with any issues, problems, whatever the sorts, any updates on your orders. So appreciate you contacting me and glad I could help. But thank you for your comment and thank you for checking out our videos.
And happy Halloween. The next comment we're going to highlight today comes from Sarah Anderson, who says, thank you guys for putting these videos together, with a heart emoji. Would love to see how an episode is made. Well, that sounds good. You know what? We'll do a behind the scenes of a Friday Fabric Finds video here soon. Don't know when, but yeah, we love making this kind of content, so we'll keep going.
Definitely not this week, though.
Yeah.
Too much to do.
Next up, we got a comment from Margaret Lavinia, who says, I would guess that a spooky hello is in order for this video. I really like the Frank and Friends fabric, but had to close my eyes for the Wicked Willow viewing. I don't care for zombies, but I'm sure someone will be very happy with that line. You sure had a lot of comments to choose from. Looking forward to next Friday. Happy birthday, America. Thank you so much for this comment. Appreciate you always coming and checking out our videos. Regarding the amount of comments from last week's video, y'all actually broke the record on this week's video, so thank y'all so much for all of your comments.
Next comment we've got is from Susan610, who says, I see Rupert is still hanging around. You'd think Santa would need his help at the North Pole, but I guess y'all need him too. Love your videos and you're all so cute. Take care, Susan. Well, thank you very much, Susan. Yes, he is sticking around. I don't know how long he'll be here, but, you know, he's welcome as long as he wants to stay. And thank you for your comment.
He's also Santa's worst employee.
Next up, got a comment from Miriam Patton, who says, since when has pink become traditional Halloween color? Nevertheless, the Halloween collections that have that color are amazing. Keep the videos coming as I look forward to Fridays to see them. Thank you so much for this comment. We love making these videos, so you can expect these videos every Friday. But I kind of agree with you. Pink is kind of new to Halloween, but I don't mind it.
Next comment is from Gail Fisher, 4767, who says, glad you're back. Some of us don't have local shops that purchase new fabric collections. You know, that's very true. I honestly don't know very many quilt shops in our area other than us either. We thank you for coming to us and for your comment, and we're glad to have you too. Next comment comes from QuiltMeetsWorld, who says, orange cats are awesome. I just adopted 2 gray cats. They're awesome. Yep, gray cats are awesome too. I have an orange cat. He is less than a year old, and he goes by several different names. But right now, we're thinking Beef. That's the one I'm thinking is the best name for him. I like it because I can say I've got beef anytime.
With beef.
Yeah, because he's a monster, but I love him.
Lastly, have a comment from TheQuiltingGinger, who says, hope you had a great vacation, Justin. Did you?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks like you have job security as only one who can do editing, LOL. I am loving the World Cup videos of them people trying Texas barbecue for the first time and it blowing their minds. Thank you so much for this comment. I agree with you. I've been loving seeing those videos of a bunch of other people from different countries trying our food. A lot of them tend to love it, but thank you so much for this comment.
That's going to do it for us this week at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. As always, we want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. Leave a comment. You might be featured on Comment of the Week next week. You know, you could help us break our new record. Follow us on social media. All of our links are down in the description, and we will see you all next week.